Thanks for coming, guys. We really appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks for joining us today. We're the team representing FlexiFurnish, and we are proud to be presenting our business plan to you. So due to the rising cost of living, and more people have found themselves in a position to need to live in smaller apartments or housing. This is especially true for college students, a position that most of us have found ourselves in at some point. Very often student housing complexes are designed in a way to conserve most space while maximizing occupancy. And this can result in residents having rooms where all the available space is taken up by either furniture or items that they don't have the means to store elsewhere. So we at FlexiFurnish aim to help these people keep everything they want and need in their living space in an effective and comfortable way by using our line of modular furniture.
FlexiFurnish designs and creates modular furniture sets that fold or collapse when not in use to make sure that the space is utilized in the best way possible. These sets, each piece is actually sold separately and individually to help complement existing furniture that's already within dorms, apartments, or homes. Some of these images are potential ideas or target locations that we hope to work within and focus on, including foldable desks or tables, as well as less effective storage locations such as under beds or under stairs. All of our products, we're hoping to make them quickly assembled, or we're hoping to make them and design them to be quickly assemblable, as well as super easy to customization for each of the needs of the clients. And then our target market is college students, right? So that's us. We know the market quite well. But we live in small apartments and small dorms, and we really just need a flexible solution for all of this space. To sell this, we're selling it online, and then we'll ship it directly to the college student, and that helps create an easy and simple, convenient solution for busy college students that can't really go to the store quite as often.
We do have competition in this already. IKEA is well known for their pack flap that you build yourself. Ashley is also rather common out here. But what we're hoping to do is to work with them to help promote our designs with in-store displays and even possibly selling these stores the designs themselves. For our future, we're looking at starting here locally, selling at Utah State, and then expanding throughout to other local universities such as Brigham Young University and Weber State. And then as things continue to progress, starting to sell to lower income housing and into townhomes. And then by year 5, we're hoping to expand our influence into the surrounding states and continuing from there.
As we've frequently mentioned, our target demographic is college students. And in order to market to them, we plan to put our representatives on college campuses handing out flyers, hopefully in the first weeks of classes when students are most likely to be moving. In addition, we hope to use Facebook ads to target students that will be soon moving. One particular example would be students that are engaged in putting together a wedding registry. Often they're willing to put things on the registry that they wouldn't be willing to spend money on themselves, allowing us to access our core demographic without some of their cost constraints. In addition, we'd hope to be able to work with apartment complexes and housing complexes to build a relationship with them so that our pamphlets might be offered with move-in material, increasing the exposure to our products. In addition, in recent years, it has been increasingly popular for social media influencers to show off interior design or organization methods. And we hope to be able to, at some point, interact with these influencers and allow them to use our products to get them to a larger audience. Our initial sales and revenue productions are very humble. As we mentioned, we really want to start here in Utah and at Utah State. So if we were able to produce and sell around 100 units at about $25 profit each and make that $2,500 mark, we would be incredibly happy, because we really want to be focusing as a business on building this customer base and understanding what products college students are actually looking for.
Now, I'd like to introduce you to our FlexiFurnish team. We have Dixon, who will be in charge of our business side of our development. My name's Tyler, and I'll be overseeing the management of our individual projects. We have Lauren, who will be taking care of our product design and development. And then we have Michael here, who will be in charge of our manufacturing as well as helping with our design processes. And then we have our other Michael, and he will be in charge of our production line and marketing to ensure that all of the products we deliver make it to the market successfully. Now, as a group of engineers and students who have spent way too much time living in small apartments, our mission is to reclaim the space in our own homes using innovative, functional furniture. And we're very excited to go on this journey, and we're asking for your support and your expertise and to join our team in helping make this vision a reality. Thank you. Are there any questions?
Something that you acknowledged was the price constraints of your target audience for college students. Do you have a ballpark estimate of price ranges for some of your products? Are we talking like in the hundreds, like you're like 80 to 100, a couple $100, like?
I'll say, as a college student currently looking to buy furniture, $150 is like pretty expensive for me. And is going to be comparable to a lot of what you're going to see with kind of used, higher quality furniture. So our goal is to get about just under that mark.
One problem that I have when I moved between semesters is the weight of items. Have you considered different materials to make them more accessible and constantly moving, or keep them durable when you're using them?
Yeah, that's one of our big problems and focuses that we've been looking at, and try and find a light material that will be more durable than just the classic that IKEA has with their particle board is one of those primary things that we're focusing on. But yeah, absolutely, we have thought of that.
So, what are you going to do to set yourselves apart from all the other companies also making space saving furniture?
I think a lot of that is really going to come down to marketing, trying to meet with students where they already are, and building, again, these relationships with these existing companies, as well as the apartment complexes that are going to be installing student furniture.
And some of our products will also have individual features, a part of sets that can act as on their own, that people can purchase individually if they already have a space available to where they can use that part to adapt to it.
You mentioned customization being a part of the product that you want. You know, people have their personal preferences in their products. At least when you're starting out, do you intend that to be a part of the product as the initial offering, or do you intend to just offer like a limited set of customizations to get going?
I think at the start we'd like to keep it more at a limited selection of customization options, and then as we're able to grow that customer base and build a name for ourselves, branch out into working with customers directly or working with other companies to create more customized furniture.
If you notice, a lot of apartments, there tend to be the same layout all throughout. So if we're able to work with apartment complexes and dorm rooms, then we can make furniture specifically for them. That would just be plug and play. And in other places, we'd be able to make custom furniture for them as well.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.